Hi, let's learn the topic mensuration surface areas and volumes. Exercise 13.1. Question number 1. A plastic box 1.5 meter long, 1.25 meter wide, and 65 centimeters deep is to be made. It is opened at the top. Ignoring the thickness of the plastic sheet, determine number 1. The area of the sheet required for making the box. Number 2. The cost of the sheet for it. If a sheet is measuring 1 meter square, costs 20 rupees. So here the length is given as 1.5 meters, breadth is given as 1.25 meters, and height is given as 65 centimeters. So height, everything in meters, so height we can convert in terms of meters, which will be 0.65 meters. Since the box is open at the top, instead of 2 lb, we can use it as just 1 lb. That is, the top portion is not there. So 2 times lb, we can't write it as 2 times of lb, so it's only 1 time of lb. So the formula will be 2 into BH. Area of the sheet is equal to 2 into BH plus LH plus 1 time of LB, or 2 into 1.25 into 0.65 plus 0.65 into 1.5 plus 1.5 into 1.25. It's equal to 2 times of 0.975 plus 0.8125 plus 1.875. It's equal to 2 into 1.7875 plus 1.875. It's equal to 5.45 meter square. So this is the area of the box where the top is open. Problem subdivision number 2. Cost of the sheet for it. So cost for per meter, for 1 meter square, it is 20 rupees. So cost for 5.45 meter square will be equal to 5.45 into 20, which is equal to 109 rupees. Question number 2. The length, breadth, and height of a room are 5 meter, 4 meter, and 3 meter respectively. Find the cost of the whitewashing the walls of the room and the ceiling at the rate of rupees 7.5 per meter. So, given parameters are length is equal to 5 meters, breadth is equal to 4 meters, height is equal to 3 meters. Now, lateral surface area will be equal to, for cuboid will be equal to 2 into L plus B into H. So area of the walls of the room, that is area of the walls of the room is equal to 2 into 5 plus 4 into 3, which is equal to 54 meters square. Now area of the ceiling. Area of the ceiling will be, area of the ceiling is equal to L into B, which is equal to 5 into 4, which is equal to 20 meters square. Now total area. So total area will be equal to 54 plus 20, which is equal to 7 74 meter square. Now calculating the cost. So cost per meter square will be rupees 7.5. For 74 will be equal to 74 into 7.5. It is equal to rupees 555. Next is question number 3. The floor of a rectangular hall has a perimeter 250 meters. If the cost of painting the 4 walls at the rate of rupees 10 per meter is rupees 15,000, then find the height of the hall. Now here given parameters are perimeter is equal to 250 meters, that is perimeter of a rectangle 2 into L plus B is equal to 250. L plus B is equal to 125. Let's have this. Now area of 4 walls is equal to whitewashing is equal to 15,000 divided by 10 rupees per meter square. So divided by 10 rupees per meter square will give you 1500 meter square. So this is the area. Now we can equate these two. That is here area of the 4 walls. So LSA is area of the 4 walls. So LSA formula will be 2 into L plus B into H. That is equated to the area of the 4 walls. Now 2 into L plus B, directly we are having it as 125. So 125 into H will be equal to 1500. H will be equal to 1500 divided by 2 into 125. It is equal to 6. So height is equal to 6 meters. Question number 4. The paint in a certain container is sufficient to paint an area equal to 9.375 meters square. How many bricks of dimensions 22.5 centimeter by 10 centimeter by 7.5 centimeter can be painted out of this container? So area will be equal to given 9.375 meter square, length is 22.5 centimeters, breadth is 10 centimeters, height is 7.5 centimeters. First we need to find the TSA of a brick, total surface area of the brick. So total surface area of a cuboid formula will be equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Now total surface area of brick is equal to 2 into 22.5 into 10 plus 10 into 7.5 plus 7.5 into 22.5. Is equal to 2 into 225 plus 75 plus 168.75, which is equal to 2 into 468.75, which is equal to 937.5 centimeter square. So this is the total surface area of a brick. Now since the area is given in meter square, now we have to convert the centimeter square into meter square. So the TSA of a brick equal to 0.09375 meter square. So number of bricks that can be painted out is the question. That can be painted out will be equal to 9.375 divided by 0.9375, which is equal to 100. So number of bricks is equal to 100. Question number 5. A cubical box has each edge 10 centimeter and another cuboidal box is 12.5 centimeter long, 10 centimeter wide and 8 centimeter high. Question number 1. Which box has the greater lateral surface area and by how much? Question number 5. Subdivision 1. Each edge of a cubical box is equal to 10 centimeters. So first we have to find the lateral surface area of a cube. Of the cube will be formula is 4a square, 4 into 10 square, which is equal to 400 centimeter square. Now we have to find the LSA of cuboid. The formula is 2 into L plus B into H, which is equal to 2 into 12.5 into 10 into 8, which is equal to 360 centimeter square. Here cubical box has the greater LSA than the cuboid box. So cubical box has the greater LSA than the cuboid box by how much is the equation? So by 400 minus 360 by 40 centimeter square. So this is the answer. Next question, subdivision number 2. Which box has a smaller total surface area and by how much? So now we have to calculate the total surface area. So total surface area of the cube will be equal to 6a square or 6 into 10 square, which is 600 centimeter square. Now total surface area of the cuboid will be equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. 2 into 12 plus 5, 12.5 to 10 plus 10 into 8 with the given values 8 into 12.5. Which comes to 610 centimeter square. So now here the cubical box will be smaller. So cubical box has the smaller total surface area which is asked than the cuboidal box by, they've asked by how much, which is equal to 610 minus 600, so by 10. This is the answer. Now coming to question number 6. A small indoor greenhouse is made entirely of glass panes held together with tape. It is 30 centimeter long, 25 centimeter wide and 25 centimeter high. Question number 1. What is the area of the glass? Given length is 30 centimeters, width is 25 centimeters, height is 25 centimeters. Area of the glass. So area of the cuboid formula is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. So area of the glass will be 2 into substituting the given values, 25 into 25 plus 25 into 30, 2 into 750 plus 625 plus 750, 4250 centimeter square. This is subdivision 1. Subdivision 2. Question number 2. How much of tape is needed for all the 12 edges? So the tape needed for all the 12 edges will be equal to 4 times of L plus B plus H. It is equal to 4 times because it's 4 sides. So for 3 plus 25 plus 25, which is equal to 320 centimeters. Question number 7. Shanti's sweet stall was placing an order for making cardboard boxes for packing their sweets. 2 sizes of boxes were required. The bigger of dimensions 25 by 20 by 5 centimeter and the smaller of dimensions 15 by 12 by 5 centimeter. For all the overlaps, 5% of the total surface area is required extra. If the cost of the cardboard is rupees 4 for 1000 centimeter square, find the cost of the cardboard required for supplying 250 boxes of each kind. So we have to do it for bigger box and the smaller box. Now let's find for the bigger box. Given the length to 25 centimeters, breadth is 20 centimeters, height is 5 centimeters. So total surface area of bigger box formula is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Substituting the values, 25 into 20 plus 20 into 5 plus 5 into 25, 2 into 500 plus 100 plus 125, 1450 centimeter square is the total surface area. So now here cardboard that is required for all the overlaps will be, this is given as 5% of this value, so it is 1450 into 5 by 100, which is 72.5 centimeter square. So now the net surface area, therefore the net surface area of the bigger box is 1450 that we found out, plus the second one will be equal to, with overlap, will be equal to 1522.5 centimeter square. Now for 250 boxes we have to find this for single box. So the net surface area of 250 bigger boxes will be equal to 1522.5 into 250. This is equal to 380625 centimeter square. So now we have to find the cost of cardboard. So cost of cardboard here will be equal to 4 divided by 1000, because 4 rupees 4 for 1000 centimeter square. So it will be 4 divided by 1000 of this value, because we have to find the cost for this area, which is equal to rupees 1522.50. Next, we have to find the smaller box. Similarly, for smaller box, length is 15 centimeters, breadth is 12 centimeters, height is 5 centimeters. Total surface area of smaller box is equal to, formula will be 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Substituting the values, 15 into 12 plus 12 into 5 plus 5 into 15, 2 into 180 plus 60 plus 75, 630 centimeter square. Now we have to find the cardboard required for all the overlaps. Here the overlap is, all the overlaps 5%. So 630, which we found out the area, into 5 by 100, this is equal to 31.5 centimeter square. Now we have to find the net surface area of the smaller box. We'll be adding these together. 661.5 centimeter square. The net surface area of 250 smaller boxes is equal to 661.5 into 250, which is equal to 165,375 centimeter square. Cost of cardboard will be, as we did, 4 by 1000 into 165,375, which is equal to rupees 661.50. Therefore, cost of cardboard that is required for supplying 250 boxes of each kind will be 1522.50 plus 661.5, which is equal to rupees 2184. Question number 8. Parveen wanted to make a temporary shelter for her car by making a box-like structure with tarpaulin that covers all the 4 sides and top of the car. Assuming that the stitching margins are very small and therefore negligible, how much tarpaulin would be required to make a shelter of 2.5 meter height with base dimensions 4 meter by 3 meters? Here given is length is 4 meters, breadth is 3 meters, height is 2.5 meters. This is the total surface area. Total surface area of the shelter will be equal to LB plus 2 into BH plus HL, because the bottom is not covered. Substituting the values, 4 into 3 plus 2 into 3 into 2.5 plus 2.5 into 4, 12 plus 2 into 7.5 plus 10, is equal to 447 meters square. Hence 47 meters square of tarpaulin will be required.